Hello, hello, hello everyone. How are you guys doing? So I wanted to come on and show you guys how I do some hydro dipping. So let me bring this up. Okay. Oop. Okay. So what we're going to do is we are going to be using these hydro dip, these Marabu Easy Marble Hydro Dipping paints. Okay, and you only have a little time to work with them. And I have different mason jars from the Dollar Tree. And we're going to start with some lavender. And you want to kind of work fast. Some yellow, some red. And the first cup I'm going to do, I did not paint or anything like that. And you always want to finish with the color that you started with, okay? And then what you do is you take a skewer and you kind of swirl stuff around. And then you want to take the paint and kind of anchor it to the sides. Okay, then what you do is you take this one is just clear. You're going to take it and you're going to swirl it. And you're going to lift it up. Okay? So that's on clear. See, that one didn't get all the way. Now you can dip it again if you want. But now we're going to try one on a white base. So what you want to do is you want to take something, and you see this paint on the top here, you want to clean it all off. And you'll see it just comes right out. Okay, so you kind of want to clean off that water. Okay. All right, just like that. Okay, then I'm going to do the white one. Okay, this one has the white base. We're going to use the same colors. The lavender, the pink, the yellow, and you definitely want to wear gloves when you do this. Red, and then the pink. Okay, again, we're going to take a skewer and just kind of swirl it around, and then grab it and attach it to the sides, and then take, and as you do this, you're going to twist. Okay, and then bring it up. So you can see, you can really see the colors on that one a lot better. Okay. All right, so then we're going to do one on a blue base. I'm going to, again, you want to clear out your water. Get all that out. Okay. And I'm going to take, this time I'm going to use blues. All right. I'm going to clear off my jars that I used before. And you do want to make sure you seal these. You don't want your ink to dry out. I'm just clearing off the bottles and putting the inks back in. Okay. Right, and the red. It does kind of get all over the bottles. So with this time, we're going to use blues. We're going to use this azure blue, metallic blue, and a light blue. Okay, so we're going to shake these really good. Take the lids off. And with the metallics, you really want to make sure you're shaking them really, really good. Okay. All right. This time I'm going to use a blue base. We're going to start with the metallic. And you see the shine in that? And then the darker blue. And then the lighter blue. And then we're going to finish off with that metallic again. Okay. Paper towel here. Then we're going to take a skewer again. And we're going to kind of create designs in it. Okay. Grab our cup, and this I painted a light blue base, so as you put it in you want to turn it. Okay, see that? Isn't that cool? All right, so now that was the blue base. Now we'll clean the water off. Again, you always want to clean it out after each use. And you're going to have stuff stuck to the side. That's okay. Okay. All right. I'm going to do this on a black base. Same colors. Light blue. Okay, finish with the metallic. All right. Take our skewer. And then attach it to the sides. Okay, grab our black base. I think this one's going to turn out really, really cool. Look at that. And you can dip them again, like if an area is not as colorful as you want them. I really like that one. Okay. And then again, we're just going to clean off our bottles. You're going to wipe them down because the ink does kind of come out of there pretty good. Put the lids back on. Like I said, you want to make sure that you wear gloves when you do this, because it is a little messy. And we're going to clean this out again. And you can reuse the same bucket and the same water continuously. You just want to kind of get as much of the stuff that's floating on the surface off. Hold on, I'll be there in a minute. So then I just wanted to show you, this is the cup with the white base. You can see how well that turned out. This is the clear vase, so you can see the difference. You definitely want to put a base on your clear design. Okay. And this is those blues on the white vase, and this is the blues on the black vase. Isn't that cool? I really really like this. Isn't that cool? Okay, so that's all I wanted to show you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you next time.